Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2, confusion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solution, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Yeah. Okay. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion. The wife number 2, confusion. Wife number 3 is commotion. Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. A Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solution. A Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion. And everybody in commotion. Yeah. A Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation.
Jumoke? Jumoke? What is it? Come now. Is it by force? Hey. I don't know what you're doing like this. I better talk now. Bennett say he likes you.
Who is Bennett?
You don't know Bennett.
I don't know.
He's my entire friend.
So?
He said he likes you.
Uh-huh.
You don't want to eat more. You don't want to eat more. Can't you see me now? I'm eating mommy. Okay, so I should give it to you. Eh? You don't want?
No.
Take now. Take.
Oh no.
You go.
Phone.
So what should I do?
I'll see you later. I'll get back to you.
You see them. Take care.
Jumoke, what do you have with short put?
What?
Doesn't she go to school anymore?
What for? When she's traveling abroad on Sunday, she will visit 4 countries before they come back to Nigeria, and they will go and settle down in their house in Metama, Abuja.
Is it true?
What? Of course it's true. Can't you see her?
Wait, what's in the bag?
Rabiu, I will slap you.
Jumoke, what's in the bag?
Look, I will slap you.
Wow! Jumoke? Jumoke? Money bag gave you all this? Jumoke, GSM.
Remove your hand.
Jumoke, remember me.
Why? Will you join me in marrying me?
Does he want you to marry him?
No, he wants me to marry his business partner.
Cool.
What's cool?
Very cool. See, Jumoke, when you marry his business partner, he will take you to London, America. You buy me a car. Buy Bennett a truck.
You a car?
Yes, now. Moneybag bought Stanislaus, Scholar's brother, a car.
I cannot marry him.
Why?
I love Boo.
Oh, Jumoke, forget John Boo. John Boo doesn't have shishi.
I have to say, Papa will kill me.
That's true. Anyway, before then,
Rabiu! Oh!
let's see if it works now. Hello? Ducky.
Rabiu, give me my phone.
Ducky, darling. My dog. Lucas, it's me, Rabiu. I am calling you from my GSM.
Hey, just give me my phone, John. Give me my phone.
Sister Jimmy, have you got GSM?
Go shut up. Which GSM?
Tata folk, which GSM?
Tata folk.
Fish. see anything.
Hello? Jumoke? Okay. Hold on.
Hello? Hi, thank you. Yes. No. Yes. No. Thank you. Yes. Okay now. Bye. Thank you. Bye. Whisker!
What does he want anyway?
Who is it? So, come and get out!
Where did you get away from? Look at this.
No. And you did not say anything.
Nonsense. Let me just talk.
Ooh!
Let me just wait now. Okay?
See now, you go back.
One credit. Ducky. The cat is Rabiu. Sweetheart.
Come.
Papa.
Radio, what is it?
Papa, do you want to know something?
Radio, what?
Papa, nothing goes for nothing.
Look, I am tired and busy. Yeah?
Okay. Mata. Matthias.
Matthias. What? My bad friend. Come back here. Come here. What do you know?
I have forgotten.
You have forgotten.
Papa, please. Papa. Papa, please.
What do you know? What do you know? What did you say? What did you say?
I will talk. Sister Jumoke has a GSM.
GSM? How can?
I swear.
GSM?
But Rabiu was talking to Auntie Dorcas on the phone.
Auntie Dorcas?
Auntie don't tell you about that one.
About which one?
About Auntie Dorcas. But Rabiu's, you know. But Rabiu was talking to her on the phone. Sister Jumoke was saying, give me my phone.
Yeah, but who gave her the phone?
I don't know.
Radio. Come. Tell me now. Tell me.
When we were coming from school, I saw Sister Jimmy talking to Scholar. She was carrying a very big bag. And I saw that same bag in our room on the bed.
Ola, come. You know, if you can find out for me what is inside that bag, I will buy you something really nice, you know?
My own GSM.
Come on, go and find out first. GSM. Find out what is in the bag. GSM. a 16-year-old girl starts carrying GSM, then man don't enter the equation now. Ha! This! This, your life don't get fun. Did you know that your daughter...
What?
Wow, Peace, where did you get all that money from?
Your own, Demis.
You will tell me where you got the money. Otherwise, I'm going to seize everything with immediate effect.
On weekend, sudden death. That is what will happen to anyone who decides to touch my hard-earned naira and kobo in Anu.
All right, I want to die. I want to die.
Chief, on this one,
I want to die.
Oh, Chief, have my car. I want to go.
Please, I want to die. Please.
Bye now. Okay.
It's okay, Jumoke. It's my turn. It's my turn.
Your turn to do what, sir?
To call now.
Wait. You called Franca. You've called what is that her name? You've called this girl.
Please. Dorcas.
Bami, are you alright?
Of course I'm not alright. Where's the phone?
Phone?
Who is Dorcas?
Bami.
I beg you, both of you, if you do not answer my question now.
Bami, it is Bami, there's no phone. No.
You lie. You lie.
Bami, he's not lying. It was
a toy. Toy.
Okay. Where is the toy?
Chief. What is going on here?
Your daughter has started receiving gifts from rich men. So tell her to get ready to join Yejide in the village.
Bami!
As for you, how old are you?
16 3/4.
I had my first child at your age, but I was already married. So if women are what is on your agenda, I will marry a wife for you. You hear me? As for you, meet me in my room.
Jumoke. Mommy, I don't know what Bami is talking about. You better not know. That's true. Hey! Hey, that's... Hey, Mommy. Change your dress and come and meet me in the kitchen. Yes, Mommy. Mommy!
Voila.
I will kill that girl.
That is after I've killed her. Imagine marrying at my age.
For Papa self. Hey, what do you do about this thing,
Let me help you smuggle it out.
Thank you, Ezibo mad.
Come, Jumoke, don't abuse me. Why? Is it because I'm trying to help you out?
Help her. Don't worry, I will return it.
Jumoke, return GSM.
I don't want trouble.
I want. Give it to me.
I will give it back.
Jumoke.
Maybe next week.
Jumoke. You
Hey.
Meanwhile,
What is it?
Wait, let's make
Rabiu!
some calls now.
What?
Let's call.
Rabiu, give me back my phone.
Let
What
us
is
call.
it? Call what? Okay, 13 naira per minute.
Jumoke.
What?
The little Okoro blood in your vein will kill you one day.
Da. Give me my phone.
I will tell.
Hey, awesome. Peak race. Dorcas. Are you not going again? Go now. I be there. Go and tell. You be tell about me who is Dorcas. And we talk about Josephine or Franca. Yeah. Take. That's truth.
What did I do? I did not tell him anything.
We know.
So why are you fucking me?
Nothing. We like your head.
Sister Jumoke,
Stop calling my name. Stop calling my name.
Jumoke.
Mommy. Come in here at once. Yes, mommy.
What was it, my friend? Welcome.
Man, go to Yawalika, tell her to come. I want to see her. Ola, why you cry?
Rabiu, Sister Jumoke beat me.
What you do?
They said I told Papa that Sister Jumoke had...
Shut up.
Rabiu.
Mommy.
That Sister Jumoke have a what?
Jumoke had a textbook.
So, she beat you because Sister Jumoke has a teachbook. Oh, no. Where is the teachbook?
Mommy, she said she's busy. She come outside.
Morogo lọ́wọ́ Yawalika kẹ́ ẹ gbà mí èmi. Ẹgbẹ́gbọ̀n. Èmi sí Yawalika. Please, just imagine. What? Yawalika won't buy lace for me. I bring sample. He say, she busy. Me come outside. Èmi sí Yawalika. Èmi Ọlákúnbí Àyìnkẹ́. Go to meet Yawalika outside.
Why not if not? Not be contract she give you.
Asikituni.
If you don't want her money, stay there and be doing landlord's wife. Let's train loads leave you till you reach Igwenge. Pick up one more.
Maybe to go to my parrot here, but I am muted. Scholar, where's your mom?
Good evening, ma.
Good evening.
Mommy! Mommy! Landlady's here, oh.
Good evening. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Bring the cloth. Here. Yeah. Very rich. It costs too.
Yeah. How much?
30,000 naira.
Bamba, Jide, Biko. Jide, hold this, Mama landlady.
What's the matter?
How can I tie 30,000 naira on my waist? Supposing I'm robber see it and kill me to remove it from my waist.
Whoa. People are tied 100,000 naira for their waist, and armed robber is not killed them yet.
100,000.
Ben.
Anyway, craze dey for different size. Mama, you don't get 5,000 naira. Buy me chipempe now so I can eat after wedding. Thank you.
But mommy, Matthias darling gave you 50,000 naira for cloth now.
Shut up.
Mommy, I don't know why you are mising. There is cash. Eat cash.
Like me.
Oh, girl. All right, though. I will bring 5,000 naira home for you. You hear?
Thank you.
Oh. Laye.
Mommy, are you going to refund my tires? I will save it in case of incasity. There is no other incasity than when I travel, I open a fashion shop for you. That's the only incasity. Until then, shut up.
Yaboji, when did Ireti say she will come back?
When the economy improve. Her mother is taking care of her and the pregnant too, with egg and quiche and all other mede. See, wouldn't you go and look for your wife?
When the economy improve.
Joko Obe. Look, economy is improved at Alika house. They now have money yafun. They eat rice, turkey, even self they buy lace.
It's all right. You and Ireti can go to Alika house and join them to eat a fish, turkey, and mede and buy this. Leave me alone. You hear me?
See, are you jealous?
Me? Jealous of Alika? That Alika? Me? I'm serious.
Because if you want money millionaire in-law, you have daughter Boku. You can start with Eshu Gidi, Jumoke, Fatide, Murenike, KG, Alaba. Olapapa is a girl.
All right. Lola too is a girl, Abi.
What you? Lola is in university.
Look, Yamoji, go and find something better to do this night, and don't worry me. You hear me? Look. Let us go and look at your son, Rabiu. He has almost pregnated one girl called Dorcas. Yeah, because when shall come to become, he will have to marry the girl, and he will find house for them to live. You hear me? All right. You're laughing.
Like father, like son.
Are you sure your head does not need the
The boy is hurry like his father.
You see where it has led me? Still looking for the love of my life. You see my life?
What that mean?
Oh, what I mean. Use your tongue to count your teeth. And I don't mean like this. Sure.
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2, confusion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solution, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion. The wife number 2, confusion. Wife number 3 is commotion. Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the plantation. A Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solution. A Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion.